Passion or perfection? Which is more important? Hi, I'm Dory Staley with Next Stage Drumming, and I personally feel that it's passion. You've got to start with that. Your skills will build from there, but at least if you're passionate about something, you're going to be super excited about it, and the joy is going to be contagious, my friend. It's way better than just going through the motions, because if you don't like what you're doing and there's no passion in it, that's a sure recipe for burnout. In my opinion, you've got to start with passion because that can fuel you and your dreams so that you keep on going. I would rather see a musician or even a young drum student having a blast than somebody who's trying to perfectly, match all the notes, get the beats right, is so worried about their hand positioning or what I'm doing or whatever that they're not really feeling it. They're not feeling the music and they're not feeling joy. So if you're trying to start out with whether it's a business or, you're with music, maybe you're starting out with drumming, take it one step at a time. That's all you have to do, really, and then you build from there. Start with where you are with what you have right now. Don't worry about you don't have all the right gear or you don't have the right technique. Those will come in time. And even if they don't, if you just have a djembe or a cajon to work with, you don't have a full drum kit, then just work with that. You can improvise and make it work. Also, keep in mind that there are many different ways to do things. So don't fall into the trap that you're comparing yourself to others. Like, well, Dory, I hear this from trolls. Your technique is off. That doesn't sound like blah, blah, blah. Well, guess what? I don't do African drumming. And maybe I was doing rock beats. And maybe I was just noodling around and having fun. So again, let it go. I've been on this planet long enough not to worry about those sort of things because I think it's more important to enjoy what you're doing, have fun. Drumming is a great release. Start with a couple of easy beats. I like rock and pop mainly, so don't expect any African beats to bust out here, people. So who knows what's in my head? I'm just going to go for it. Or, if you wanted to dial it back and not add those extra things, just could do it basic beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All I did was I doubled it. And then I added in a little fill. Make it jazzy. So anyway, my point is this. Just start. Don't worry about the trolls. Put your stuff out there. Start whatever project or career or endeavor that you had on your bucket list and check it off. If you need any help, I do a lot of mentoring and coaching in addition to the drumming. So just shoot me an email at dory@nextstagedrumming.com. You'll see my info at the end of the video. Hope you're having fun, my friends. Life's short. You might as well rock. Till next time.